24 hours what?
The series.
Reno.
Oh yeah,
Well,
yeah,
you're
yeah.
on
Don't start. You're the one to start.
Yeah, I'm a bit of something. I'm not. I will start watching.
This one. Also with this prison break.
Yeah, ready.
I don't like
it's
that.
recording. Yeah.
Recording already? Oh, very fast. Good.
This is the amazing Reno from Philippines province.
Hello. Cheers, my friend. Cheers. Damo king carrots.
Already recording.
Saturday night fever with Melky,
Mihao.
Big Ali,
I'm just woken up.
You try it.
Reno.
Very nice.
Hello.
This is turkey.
And me. No, beef.
Turkey.
The turkey is here. No more plate.
Oh, the volume in that.
It's all
What you been doing? Something watching that film? I bet you've had a these news as well.
I watched. I went in the shower and I watched what I forgot what it's called. Some like car film. Junkerman. Junker.
What is?
Scandal.
I go to dinner soon.
Video mo kami.
Video na yan. I'm eating before gym today.
Third officer, Justina Divino from Pangasinan.
Boy, I'm gonna prize it, man.
Christopher Reed from England.
Buenas.
Buenas tardes. Konnichiwa.
Buenas tardes.
Konnichiwa. What is it? Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa means in Japanese is
Oh.
good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Konnichiwa.
Yeah.
Buenas tardes.
Ano ni? This is Wilson Alistair from Scotland.
I'm just woken up.
Yeah.
Salute. Your favorite song? It's one of my favorites. I like the way the host. This is the host.
This is the host,
The host there with the
Alfred
mustache.
Gaviola.
Yan, di pwede dong.
Huh?
Karting sa kuwan.
Only 5 pounds. It's okay. I think $100 also sold.
Ako sa ikuan, baring yung $10.
That'll be alright.
This afternoon we will be having our program.
Today's event will start.
For the amazing carrots cut by 5 pounds.
It's not, mate. We need corned beef for years.
Okay, this is 5 pounds, and this is the real carrots.
This is the 5 pounds exhibited.
This is the 5 pounds.
Is
5
it
pounds.
real one?
It's
Is it
real.
Not Scandal.
It's from the jock, so
I think that is the real 5
Well,
pounds.
you should have given them a fake one then.
yeah. I don't have any fake £5 notes hanging about, man.
And this is the real carrots.
This also is a real carrot. That's,
Real carrots, real carrots.
that's already been.
Don't do that, you're weakening it.
Yeah, so
Kinuha mo na?
it is carrots cut by 5 pounds.
Pedro.
That is our title for today. The main event. In the right corner!
Look at it.
Is it stop first?
So, out
Hold
from.
on.
Good on.
Oh,
On the table.
good. How'd you stop this?
I don't know.
Thanks.
Drop it.
That was